Hi guys! May pupuntahan kami party ni Andy. And ayan, mag-outfit check muna daw kami. Ayan, ang suot namin. And let's go! Dalhin namin kayo sa party ni Mishka.
Enjoy watching!
Andito na kami sa party and andito yung mga dating classmates ni Andy nung grade 2 siya. Happy sila dyan kasi nagkita-kita ulit sila.
Alright, so excuse me girls. Okay, so can you please go back to your seat before we start the party? Thank you very much. I agree, yes or no? Okay, so everybody, good afternoon everyone and welcome here at Shady Studio. So today we are celebrating the birthday party of
Mishka!
Mishka. Alright, so this time guys, I would like to introduce you our birthday celebrators. Please give them for Mishka! Alright, together with Ellie.
Si Mishka nga pala ay kaklase ni Andy last year. So, invited kami sa kanyang 9th birthday.
Hi, welcome to the newcomers. Hello. Okay, so come on guys, can you please stand up for a while? Come on, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. One more time, clap your hands while singing. Go. Happy birthday, Mishka. One more. Happy birthday. Alright, so excuse me. Okay, before we start our first game, I want all of you need to hold your hands and then form a big circle, okay? Come on, hold your hands. This time, you know the mechanics, yes or no? Thank you. Okay, how about when you see the ball sinking groups of into what? How about when you see the ball sinking groups of into dance? Wow, ang galing ng solo. Okay, ready? This time, hindi na tayo. I'm sorry if you don't have a partner, you're out, okay? So this time, ready? The book is taking groups of into two. Into what? The book is taking groups of into two. Into four. Okay, the book is taking groups of into five. Go, five. Okay, sakto 20 na yung isa, sakto 20 na. Five. Report. Okay, hanggang partner, here. Oh, here. So, into four. It's okay. Take a seat. Don't worry, we have our next game. Okay, that's okay. Come on, sit down. It's okay, baby. Come on, sit down. Oh, that's okay. Alright, so, okay, just move forward a little bit here. Okay, hold your hands. Come on, hold your hands. Big circle. Big. Hands down. Stay where you are. Okay, so this is my
And this is my food. O, bongga. At doon ko siya kinuha. At dahil matakaw ako, babalik ako dyan later.
Okay na? Oh. Yeah, one more. Okay, so independent learning. Everybody, all the kids count 1, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, and go! Everybody, become participants! Princess? Okay. Alright, okay, next is Iya. Alright, next one is Sophia. Parang happy na sa brand. Hindi na tao. Okay, so, how about Venice? Thank you. Alright, next one is, how about his name? George? Right? Yes, okay, next one. Hi, sorry, hi. Okay, alright, next is Baste. Okay, Baste, where are you, Baste? Baste. This is the Baste. Okay, thank you, Baste. Next is Georgia. Virginia and First Street. Yeah, okay. Georgie and First Street, right? Georgia. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Okay.
Good morning! Ayun, nakalimutan ko mag-outro kagabi. So, ngayon na lang ipapakita ni Andy kung ano yung mga binigay sa kanya na my birthday. Yung pinuntahan namin birthday kahapon kay Mishka. And, ito na naman tayo. Kasi bago gising lang kami, bare face na naman si Mama Dulce. Anyways, eto na si Andy. Papakita niya yung mga, yung laman ng loot bags. Yan yung loot bag from Mishka. Ano laman yan, Andy?
Notebook.
Patingin nga ng mga notebooks. Buksan mo, B. Ang cute naman. Naman, parang susulatan mo ba yan?
Hindi.
Hindi mo siya susulatan. Baka tayo mo sulatan. Tapos, ano pa laman?
Candy.
Hindi. Ano yan? Di ba ang nagbigay niyan is si Princess? Shout out mo si Princess. Say mo, hi Princess.
Hi, Francis.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Ano pa?
Ito, bigay ni Iya.
Ni Iya. Say thank you to Iya.
Thank you.
Thank you, Iya.
Thank you, Iya.
Ayan, yan kasama yan ng loot bags. Tapos, di ba may mga ano pa laman nun? Candy?
Yes.
Candy at saka chocolate ba?
Yes.
Yun. Nilagay na niya kagad sa ref kagabi. And etong yung bigay ni Princess nga pala yan, kinakain na niya kagad to sa sasakyan, kaya medyo konti na lang ang laman. Ayan. Tapos di ba may binigay pa sa iyo si tawag diyan si Kyle.
Yes.
Saan yung binigay sa Kyle?
Ito.
Nilagay mo na sa ID mo. Takpan mo yung ID mo, bebe. Talikot mo lang siya. Ayan. Patingin. Ayan ang itong pin. Ay, Kuromi. Ano ba yan?
Karomi.
Yan, Kuromi.
Sanrio.
Cute. What will you say sa kanila?
Thank you very much.
Diba? Sila bigay sa'yo. Ikaw wala kang bigay. Ayan, ang cute. Sino mo, diba? Sige na, magbabay na tayo. So, ayun lang. I hope you like our video. And if you did, just give us a thumbs up.
Zap.
Subscribe to our channel, Mama Dulce Vlogs. And don't forget to hit the notification bell below para updated kayo sa mga upcoming videos namin. Asan ka na, Andy? Ayan. So, ano sasabihin natin?
Be happy.
Be happy, be grateful, and be you. Bye-bye. See you on my next vlog. See you on our next vlogs. Bye.